Hello everyone. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Dr. Kim Boyson and I am a medical aesthetic doctor working in Southeast London. Today I wanted to talk to you about the big question, how much for? I do get a lot of inquiries into the clinic asking me for specific prices for treatment. My response is often you need to book in for a consultation for me to be able to give you an accurate price. Now, patients either find that this is a sort of evading the answer or trying to suck them into something. That's not the truth. The real answer is that I can't possibly give you a price if I don't know a little bit about you. And first of all, most patients come to me and they have a host of medical issues that we need to know about. A lot of treatments, especially some of the ones I do in clinic, are prescription-only medicines, which mean that I do have to go through the medical history and make sure that they are suitable candidates. There's nothing worse than offering a price to a patient for a treatment and then only finding out later that it's not something that they can actually have, and I end up disappointing them. So unfortunately, that's sort of one of the first reasons why. The second reason why I don't offer prices without a consultation is because often patients ask for a treatment and it's completely the wrong treatment. I look at patients' faces every day and I treat patients every day. I can take a look at your face and I can let you know what would be a good treatment to get the result that you're looking for. So many times I've had patients ring me up and say, I need this treatment because I want this. And it's just those two things don't go together. That specific treatment that they've asked for doesn't actually treat that problem or give that result. And that again is then disappointing because they think that that's a price that they've gotten and that's going to fix the problem when really it doesn't. So that's the second reason why I ask you to have a consultation. The third reason is that, of course, everybody's different. Nobody is the same, nobody has the same sort of tissue, no one has the same volume, and I really do need to look at your face and find out what you're expecting and what goals that you want and what you want to achieve to be able to tell you what that is going to cost you over time and how we're going to go about doing that. So what I do is I ask you to book in for a consultation. The consultation is done online and the consultation cost is £50. For your £50, I will talk with you for about, usually they go on for 60 minutes, sometimes 90 minutes, where we get to know each other. And I ask about your medical history. I get you to fill out a medical history form beforehand so that I can review it. And then I go through and I ask you questions to make sure that I understand about your history, about your aesthetic history, about your goals and what you want to achieve with treatment. I also look at your skincare and what you've been using in the past. Then we talk about skin aging and facial aging and why you're getting these signs of aging on your face and the sort of predictable patterns that you're going to see in the future. Then I run through how those different patterns can be treated, and I give you a bit of education as to the different treatments that are available and sort of options that we can look at. Once we've decided what options are available, I then do a treatment plan for you, or we decide on the day what treatments you would like. Then I need to go through some consent forms. We need to talk about things that could go wrong with the procedure. You need to know about potential side effects, and you need to be able to ask me questions about the procedure, anything that you want to clarify. So we do that in the consultation process. Then also during this time, we're getting to know each other. We're getting to see if we could work well together and whether we could trust each other to go on this journey together. So it is a really in-depth process. And to be honest, the treatment price of the aesthetic treatments that we offer far exceeds the £50. So I do feel it's a fair and a nominal fee just to make sure that you are interested in treatment and to make sure that it's something that you have thought about and we can engage on a personal level and really talk about your needs. So that is why there is a consultation and why there is a fee to pay when you do have a consultation. So unfortunately, the clinic policy is that I can't give you a price without getting to know you, without finding a little bit about your medical history, and without starting to understand what your goals are and what you would like from a treatment. So if that is something that you're interested in and it sounds like the way you would like to be treated when you have an aesthetic intervention, then please do contact the clinic. You can book in for an online consultation during the COVID pandemic. You can send me an email at drkimboyson@gmail.com, or you can of course ring the clinic. The other way to do it is to message me through the website, and you can send an inquiry through the website and I can respond. So I hope that's explained to you why, unfortunately, it's not an easy question to answer, and it's not easy to be able to give sort of bulk prices for patients, especially because what we do in clinic is we are looking to treat you holistically. I don't like to do little sort of bits and pieces here and there. I think about you as a whole person, and we think about the face holistically, and we look at how we can prevent the signs of aging over the coming years. And I see it more as a journey that you and I are going to go on together to keep you looking your best for as long as possible, using multiple modalities so that we really can get the best results possible. Thank you for listening.